Now here are some of the top gigs on Fiverr. SEO services, mobile app development, website building, video marketing, logo designs. And for logo designs, you don't really need special skills to do this. You just need the right software. There's also flyers and brochures. You could create that just using Adobe Illustrator. Business cards and stationery, Photoshop editing, infographics design. For this, you can use free tools such as Canva. Just go to canva.com. You could also provide services in which you offer to do vector tracing, and this only requires a few minutes of your time, and you just need Adobe Illustrator for this. Another top gig is domain research, resumes and cover letters. I know of somebody who's actually making a good living just writing resumes and cover letters on Fiverr. And to start off with, you could just use templates. Another top gig is proofreading and editing, articles and blog posts, voiceovers, singers and songwriters, converting files. This is easy to do. There are a lot of free tools available for you to convert files such as Word into PDF. Whiteboard and animated explainer videos. And there's a lot of tools in the market such as Explaindio to create whiteboard videos. Intros and outros for videos, logo animation. And for this, you just need Adobe After Effects. There's lyric and music videos. Maybe you could offer to become a virtual assistant for somebody, or you could do data entry. And last but not least, you could offer to put someone's message or a company's message on anywhere they would like, such as your body, or your car, a sign, a t-shirt, etc.